Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to my channel. To those that have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. And I want you guys to also know that I have set up a Patreon account. You can actually check it on the comment section. In that account, I'm going to share with you, my trade for the day and also trade for the week. So make sure you actually subscribe to it. And if you are not interested, you can go ahead to cancel the subscription. So that is it. Now let's see what AUD USD will give us for the next day. Right, we can see that this AUD USD have actually hit the level, which is a level of 0.71180. So it has gotten to that level. So what I would be expecting or would want to watch out for the next day on AUD USD is actually a pullback, right? So maybe once that pullback plays out, we can now continue the bullish move on AUD. But let's watch out for a drop, guys. A drop is coming. If in case we don't have that drop for the next day, which is for the 27th, then surely we should have that drop on Monday. So just watch out for a drop, then price will continue to go bullish on AUD USD. So just drop as a pullback. So now let's start with the trend. We can clearly see an uptrend move. That is one. We can also see price is still trading above our 10 period simple moving average. So now down to the forward time frame. So we can see the forward time frame. There is a pull. You see, we can see that there was a pullback here. We can see an impulse move, and a pullback was made here. Then another impulse move, then a pullback played out. So let's see this impulse move that took out the previous highs. So now let's expect a pullback to be made. Then let's see this pullback hit this level, which I'm watching out for, which is at least close to a level of 0.70605. So let's watch out at least close to the level of 0.70605. Then AUD USD can continue the movement upward.